Activity 1 concentrates on pedagogical content knowledge, which acknowledges the significance of instructor's command of subject matter and how it relates to other subjects within and outside of the curriculum, along with a solid and critical comprehension of how theories and principles of teaching and learning are applied. The ability of teachers to apply relevant and developmentally appropriate pedagogy based on pedagogy and topic knowledge is further enhanced by this practice. Consequently, observation is crucial for tracking and evaluating the activities taking place inside the classroom. We got the chance to observe grade 4 Mars under the supervision of Mr. Ronnie G. Padlan at Bayambang Central Schools last December 5, 2023. In a classroom setting and learned how an expert educator applies the content and pedagogy, materials and technology relevant to the topic, what methods and approaches the teachers has employed to help students remember it, and what issue the teacher is facing and how to evaluate and address it.
As we observe how Teacher Ronnie teaches grade 4 students, we notice how he gives feedbacks to students who perform well and how he encourages students to participate consistently by calling names who don't recite and give chance to those who did not get the correct answer. This strategy shows the importance of student and teacher communication in achieving a successful teaching and learning. He also acts as the facilitator of learning, wherein he let the students create ideas before he supplements them with the right knowledge needed for their lesson. This also shows that Teacher Ronnie applied inclusivity in the class because he involves, acknowledges, and values students' ability and effort.
The strategies used by a teacher, the students work as a team, encourage learning from experience, active learning, differentiated instruction, and interdisciplinary teaching. These strategies help students to empower students to think critically, creatively, reach their full potential and foundations of lifelong learning. It is an effective way to take a child's love and turn it into a love of learning. It can help students focus and build essential skills and allow students to actively participate in the learning process with class discussions and exercises that support the initiative. Additionally, students who have higher order thinking skills have ability to connect different concepts, problem solving, communication, and make the right decisions. Critical thinking is important in every aspect of their lives. It helps students to make decisions, solve problems, and learn new information.
The learning principles applied by the teacher appropriate with the nature of the learners and learning conditions. Based on our observation, most students actively participated, listened attentively, and shared or expressed their ideas in the class. Students are more engaged in their studies when these principles are put into practice. The fact that the students are actively participating and listening attentively to the lesson shows that they are learning, so the learning principles are appropriate.
During the teaching-learning process, we noticed that some students were passive or silent. There are a few possible reasons, including the following. Some students may be hesitant or ashamed to express their opinions about their answer. The others are afraid to recite. Other students, they need more time to understand the lesson. However, they are making every effort to respond to their teacher's inquiry.